बजट तो बाद सेंसेक्स डिग्या, डॉलर 71 रुपए तो पार है। कारां दी विक्री घटी है, टैक्सटाइल सैक्टर च मंदी है, बिस्किट दी विक्री च भी कमी हुई है। स्टील सिटी च 12 कारखाने बंद हुए। मंदी दी इस आहट विचकार नीति आयोग के वाइस चेयरमैन राजीव कुमार दा वड्डा बयान आया कि 70 साल च अर्थव्यवस्था दा सब तो बुरा हाल है।
Unprecedented situation for a government of India from the last 70 years. We've not faced this sort of a liquidity, sort of situation where the entire financial sector is up in a churn and nobody is trusting anybody else. It's not just the government and the private sector. Within the private sector, nobody wants to lend to anybody else. Everybody is sitting on, on cash, but they will not move, etc. So there are two issues here. One, that you may have to take steps which are out of the ordinary. Second point is that I think the government must do whatever it can to take away some of the apprehensions of the private sector.
राजीव कुमार के मुताबिक नोटबंदी जीएसटी तो बाद हालात बदल गए ने।
The nature of the game has changed, after demonetization, after GST, after IBC, etc., etc. The earlier period where you had a 10, 20, 30, 35% of cash sloshing around, which used to help people, that's become much less. So all of this put together means that it's a fairly complex situation. So therefore there are some easy answers, of course, and I completely agree with Ramdev. I mean, I have no hesitation in saying that there is no business of the government to hold back payments which are due to the people, because that then has a domino effect all over the place. So I mean, I've said this inside the government, and I'm saying it here, so that every department which owes, and this is, by the way, this is being at the moment, there's a huge effort at the moment to try and get this sorted out and try and get this out.
सुनिया तुसी राजीव कुमार नूं, इह देश दे वड्डे अर्थशास्त्री ने, पर इस बयान ते जद चर्चा शुरू हुई तां इन्हां ने यूटर्न ले लिया। ट्विटर ते लिखिया, मैं मीडिया नूं बेनती करदा हां कि मेरे बयान नूं गलत ढंग नाल विखाउणा बंद करो। अर्थव्यवस्था नूं गति देण दे लई सरकार कड़े कदम चुक रही है ते अजिहा अगे भी करदी रहेगी। किसी भी तरह नाल घबराउण ते घबराहट दा माहौल पैदा करन दी जरूरत नहीं। उधर देश के वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण भी देश के सामने आए, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की ते देश के लोगों को अर्थव्यवस्था ते भरोसा दिवाउण दी कोशिश की। इस विच उन्हां ने भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था के ताज़ा हालात ते सरकार के कदमां की जानकारी दी। निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा कि दुनिया भर के देशों की तुलना च भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था बेहतर हालात च है। ਇਹ नहीं भुलना चाहिए कि चीन ते अमरीका दे विचकार ट्रेड वॉर का कुछ असर भारत ते भी वेख्या जा रहा है, पर सरकार सब तरह नाल इकोनॉमी नूं संभालण दी दिशा च अगे वध रही है।
So you see India again in yellow, positioned comfortably very high. The growth rate still in comparison to many of these countries high, and if anything, even compared to China and the United States, our growth rate is higher than everybody else. So let's just keep that at the back of our mind.
नीति आयोग के वाइस चेयरमैन अपने बयान तो बदल चुके ने, पर इस तो पहला ही कांग्रेस से सवाल चुक दिते सन, पर जवाब निर्मला सीतारमण ने भी दिता।
Why has the government not taken steps? Why did the government not take steps in the last 5 years when they were in power? We've been telling them that the economy is in dire straits. We've been telling them that you have actually brought in the GST without understanding what the consequences are going to be. We've been telling them of a uniform rate, right? But they put up these multiple rates, which has brought down the revenues that are to be collected through GST, right? Direct taxes, though the base may have increased, but the revenues have come down. The industry is in dire trouble. Private sector is crying, saying, give us a stimulus package. The automobile sector is finished. The textile sector is in dire straits. Which sector is doing well in this country?
अर्थव्यवस्था का मुद्दा गंभीर है, सरकार का अपना पक्ष है ते देश के हालात कुछ होर ही बयां कर रहे हैं।